Hi everyone, Nico here at Stacking Dimes. Today we're going to talk about TechniWeld's new Viper hose reel. This retractable hose reel holds 50 feet of 1/4-inch twin hose. Engineered for long-lasting performance, this hose reel features a full-flow swivel joint and a robust swivel body, enhancing durability, reducing wear and tear over time. Spool features smooth beaded edges, enhancing equipment longevity. Effortlessly extend and retract your hoses with an automatic spring rewind and locking system. Saving you time and money during cleanup. This hose reel comes with everything you need to mount and set up your hoses. And now, let's do some cutting. Hey, if you want to learn more about our hose reels, visit twusa.com.